Raoult's law for solution containing volatile liquid. Volatile, it was the liquid which get evaporated. The solution contain two volatile liquid which have their partial pressure such that solution consists of two things, solute and solvent. So here we called solvent as A, that is volatile liquid. It is in the maximum amount, because always in the solution solvent is in the maximum amount and solute is in the minimum amount. It is denoted as B and it is also a volatile liquid. So this is the container which contain pure, this P naught A is pure liquid, that is pure solvent, and P naught B is pure solute. Both are liquid. When both get combined, then it is not pure in this condition, because they have partial pressure of each other on this container. The partially A is present also and partially B is present also. That is why naught is not here. There is a in the pure whereas in the pure state the P naught is there. So P naught indicate pure state and only P denoted as the partial state. So Raoult's law is what? PA is directly proportional to zeta A and PB is directly proportional to zeta B. That is the mole fraction of the A and mole fraction of the B. So for a solution of volatile liquid, the partial vapor pressure of each component in the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. This is the partial vapor pressure and this is directly proportional to its mole fraction. That means if the number of moles of pure solvent, that is P naught A, is more in number, then the mole fraction is also more, and number of which is create pressure by vapor, so it have more vapor pressure. If the number of moles is more, then it creates more vapor pressure, and likewise if the number of moles of pure solute P naught B is more, then number of moles fraction is more and vapor pressure is also more. For the solution, but in the solution both get mixed up. For the volatile vapor pressure, there is partial vapor pressure. That means pressure of A and plus B. So the mole fraction of A and zeta A and zeta B is mole fraction. PA and PB is the partial pressure. So if pure P naught A and P naught B is the pure state, is in the pure state. So this is the equation. PA is directly proportional to zeta A. Zeta A is the mole fraction. So mole fraction is what? Na upon Na and plus Nb. Suppose it is 1 by 4 and zeta B, Nb, Na plus Nb is 3 by 4. So by doing linear equation we get 4 by 4 which is 1. So zeta A plus zeta B is equal to 1. Or you can say if B is 0, then zeta A is equal to 1. So let us consider pure state A. Here we do not take B. So zeta B is 0 and zeta A is 1 by this equation. So only we take pure A. So according to this, if we just remove proportionality sign, so K is the proportionality constant, and if zeta A by this equation is 1, then PA is equal to K. Also here A is in the pure state, so we can also say that P naught A is equal to K. So if we put the value of K in this equation, so we get PA is equal to P naught A zeta A. Likewise PB, P naught B zeta B. So the total pressure of the solution is PT is equal to PA plus PB. That is the Dalton's law. According to him, if two or more than two gases taken in the container which is non-reacting, it not react with each other, it gets separated with each other, so then total vapor pressure is the sum of partial pressure of the gases. Suppose Pa is one gas, that is 10, and amount of molecule is 10, and Pb amount of molecule is 10 and Pc amount of molecule is 10. So the total vapor pressure is 30, because 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus is 30. So this is just stated by Dalton that Pt is equal to Pa plus Pv, that is partial pressure of both the gases. So also we just take partial total pressure is equal to P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. So P naught A and P naught B is the vapor pressure and zeta A zeta B is the mole fraction. This is also determined by the experiment. So my question is for today, what is Raoult's law?